Hey guys, it is December 2nd, so today we will try this one, Syneco. Never really heard of these. That's the bitting, 5 pins, that's the keyway. So, yesterday it went quite well. So let's see if we can do the same. And I will do the same thing, try out some raking and rocking and sipping, then SPP. There it was. Alright. Yeah, so that counts as an open, but I still prefer to SPP it as well. Just go away, fly. I have a fly. I don't know why I have a fly at this time of year. Okay, let's try an S-rake as well, just to see if we can rake it like that. And feels like it could maybe do it. Yep. Just had to push pin 1 in the end. Sipping. Okay, it worked, but I couldn't get it out again. Rocking with an L rake, a C rake. Maybe adjust the light a little bit. Not that I did that much, but at least I don't hit it with my hand now. No. Okay, let's try the other one. Other thingy. See if that can do it. I can't even get it in again. Okay, but we did rake it. Alright, SPP. See if we can get anywhere with it. Yep, there we go. Pin 1 again. That was the syneco. Never tried these before, so that was quite interesting. It kept hanging up on pin 1. Alright, let's put it on the tree. I have to move back here. Alright, let's just put it right under the first one. That's a start. Haha. Alright, move back in here. So, that was 22 to go. Alright, hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Remember, skill always beats luck, and have a great day.